curls because when I'm at school and I wear my hair down, everyone's like, how did you get your curls? And they say it's better when my hair gets dry and it gets puffy and stuff, but I'm like, I like the more wet style look, if you understand what I'm saying. But I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look right here. And my hair is actually straight right now, but I haven't straightened it in 2 days, and it's been just in a messy bun. Like, I've just been in that mood, you guys. Like, literally, like, I don't care. So the product I'm using is Auntie Jack's Curls and Curls, and this softens, helps restore, moisturizes, and gets the knots and tangles out. And I also will be using this Kendra Silky Mist, and this brightens, shines, and silks your hair. And I'm using this rat tail comb, and it like makes your part bomb. Then I'm using this natural brush to like brush my hair down, I guess. Then I'm using this detangling brush, and really recommends a brush sort of like this because it really detangles my hair. Okay, now that I wet my hair, as you can tell, my curls came back, so I have to rebrush it again. Okay, so I actually want to wash my hair because I have gel in my hair, and if I don't wash it, then my hair does not bring the curls back. So like, it's like a little bit straight right now, if you could tell, because you see all that like shiny stuff. It's gel, you guys. Like these. Really recommend these because they work super good. They make your hair super soft, and I don't know, do they even smell? They smell like soap, but like they make your hair super super soft, and I just like to use a lot. I don't know.
I like everything, like. But I like to wash my hair and put the stuff in at the same time because usually people do that, and it's just odd to me because you're like not even giving it a chance to soak in your hair. So don't do that because it's not going to work as good. And just comb through my hair with it. Now, I feel like I already told this for this video. Like, I don't know why, but it's like a really recommend video. Okay, now
We're going to wash it out again. So I'm not really going to get this part of me washing it out because you guys already seen how I wash out my hair, so there's really no point of that. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm so dumb. Okay, so what I did was I put conditioner in my hair and washed it out, and then I was like, oh no, I gotta put shampoo in, and shampoo is to like get this stuff out of your hair, so it makes it like shampoo just makes your hair feel so rough and stuff. So I'm like, I accidentally put the conditioner in first, so I just had to wash my hair 3 times because I had to re-wash it because I accidentally put the conditioner in. So don't make that mistake, you guys. But yeah, and my hair has been straightened for 2.5 weeks now, so it's just now getting back to natural, and the curls are going to start appearing. But yeah, so now I'm going to put in this and just detangle my hair again throughout the day, and it helps it look like moisturized or something, you feel? Junk smells so freaking good. Alright, let's do this part. Let me not look dumb and try to look at the camera. Ew, I look ugly. Let me stop. Okay, try to get the straight part. Oh my god, it's not even working. Okay, I got it. I recommend a rat comb because if you don't have a rat comb, it's going to be pretty hard to make that really straight part. I'm just going to like fluff this part right here, because I don't want my hair to look flat. Look at my dumb self. Look, watch this. Watch this. Hold on. Wait a minute, am I grabbing the straight brush? What did I do that for then? What did I do it for? That was no reason for me to do that. Then I would actually gel this down, but I'm not, because when I gel my hair down, it's just like it's just like really bad for my hair, because I don't really like gel for my hair because it's not really good, because like I don't know, there's just something about my hair just does not match with gel, because when I put gel in my hair goes super straight, like this. My hair will go straight like this and like not curl up, So I don't like putting gel in my hair, and I prefer spray. For my hair, all depends on what hair you have. Then I'm going to get some of this and put it on the two tops of my hair to have them curly, because you know they don't be wanting to communicate with me, or you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I use this Eco gel, and it's like that. It says professional styling gel. It actually is pretty hard. Like, I be doing my hair at night, and then in the morning my hair is like, it looks the same, like no frizz, no anything. So I really recommend this. And it's like the one, it has like glitter in it or something. It's like shiny. It's like, you know, it could be windy one day or something, and you don't want to have your edges looking retarded. Let's move the camera up there. I should have did that from the beginning, but it's all good. Okay, so this is the final touch. These are my edges, and then my hair is pretty curly, and they're gonna get curlier when they start to dry up. Like, I get big curls. And if you guys want me to do a what's in my iPhone video, recommend it down below. That's gonna be pretty interesting, but and yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and make sure you follow all of my social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Dumb Smash, and my Snapchat. Go follow me on social media, and I really recommend for you guys to tell me any videos that you guys want me to do down below in the comments, or you can just text me on any of my social medias and just tell me, and I will follow you back, add you back, and that's that. And also, if you guys want me to do a reaction video, really comment down below, because like I really want to do a reaction video, but I don't know like what do you guys want me to react on, because I'm gonna do that. So just comment down below what you guys want me to actually react on. But yeah, just comment that. Can we just talk about my eyelashes? Have been on my eyes for 2 weeks. Can we just talk about that? I need to change them. But anyways, hope you really enjoyed this video, and shout outs will be right here. And also with this hairstyle, I'm gonna go take some photos. So if you want to see my photos that I took with this hairstyle, just go follow me on my Instagram, like I said, and that's period. Bye all.
Hey，是心动。